Hare Krishna. My name is Nimai Mania and my topic is Jagdanand Pandit prepared a pillow and mattresses for Lord. Swarup Damodar prepared other mattresses from shredded banana leaves. As you all know that the unhappiness in separation from Krishna that Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt exhausted in his mind and reduced the structure of his body. Then again, when sometimes he felt ecstatic emotions, the Lord's body would once more become developed and healthy. Because the Lord was very thin, when he lay down to rest upon the dark bark of plantain trees, it caused his bone to catch. The devotees felt very pained at heart to see this, and indeed it became almost intolerable for them. Jagdanand Pandit then thought of a remedy. He acquired some fine clothes and dyed it with red oxide. Jagdanand Pandit then filled the cloth with cotton and in a similar tree, and in this way he made a soft and a quilt pillow. When he presented this to Govinda, Jagdanand Pandit says, "Request the Lord to lie down upon this." Jagdanand Pandit then told Swarup Damodar, "Today I request you to personally persuade Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to lie down on the bedding that I have prepared for him." Thereafter, when it was time for Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to rest, Swarup Damodar stayed nearby. However, when Lord saw the quilt and pillow, he immediately became angry and inquired from Govinda who had made this. When Govinda named Jagdanand Pandit, the Lord became somewhat fearful. But still, after having the quilt and pillow put aside, he lay down as usual upon the dry plantain bark. Swarup Damodar said, "My lord, I cannot contradict your supreme will, but if you do not accept this wedding, Jagdanand Pandit will have great unhappiness." Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu replied, "You should bring a rice bed for me to lie upon. Jagdanand Pandit wants me to enjoy material happiness, but because I am sannyasi, I must lie down on the floor. For me to use the bed, quilt or pillow would be very shameful." When Swarup Damodar went and related this conversion to him, Jagdanand Pandit became very unhappy. Then Swarup Damodar thought another idea. First he collected the large quantity of dry banana leaves. Then he tore them into fine fibers with his fingernails. With this he filled up of two Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu outer ornaments, and thus he made some bedding and a pillow. Finally, after much endeavor on the part of devotees, the Lord agreed this to accept this. Although everyone was very happy to see Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lie down on this bedding, Jagdanand Pandit was initially very angry and extremely also, and at the end he applied displeased. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Gauranga.